In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import URL redirects in Shopify. Managing URL redirects is a crucial aspect to ensure smooth navigation and maintain SEO integrity whenever you change or remove pages from your site. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to access your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's admin panel. It's always a good idea to pin this URL to your favorites for easy access. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, take a moment to look around if you're unfamiliar. On the left sidebar, you'll see various options. Pay attention to these, as they're your main navigation tool within your store admin. Next, you'll want to click on the Content link in the sidebar. This section houses all sorts of vital data about your store content, but today we'll focus on URL redirects. By directing URLs, you ensure that visitors and search engines can find your content even if you've made changes or removed certain pages. This is vital for maintaining your store's search engine rankings and providing a seamless customer experience. Now, after navigating to the content section, you'll need to click on Menus. This might seem a bit out of place, but Shopify organizes URL redirects under this category. Menus, as you probably know, are central to your store's navigation. Under this, you'll easily find URL redirects. Clicking here will bring you to the heart of our operation today. You'll see any current URL redirects you have set up. This is the spot you'll return to whenever you need to manage these moving forward. With the URL redirects page open, your next action is to click on the Export button. Exporting allows you to download all existing redirects as a CSV file. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, can be opened with most spreadsheet applications like Excel or Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful for backing up existing redirects, tweaking them in bulk, or transferring them to another store. It's wise to save this file somewhere secure, as it contains structural data important for your shop's navigation. Once your redirects are backed up or adjusted, you might want to import new ones. In that case, look for and click on the Import button. Shopify will prompt you to upload a CSV file. Here, you'll import the same type of file we exported earlier. Simply follow the prompts to upload your updated or new CSV file containing the redirects you want to implement. Remember, if you're importing changes, take an extra glance at the file in Excel or Google Sheets to ensure everything is in order. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through exporting and importing URL redirects on Shopify. Regularly managing these redirects keeps your customers flowing easily through your store and helps maintain your SEO effectiveness. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check back for more tips to help you master your Shopify store.